Welcome, friends. Once again, I'm here with lesson 21. It is starting with letter F. So, let's start our 21 lesson. Listen words carefully and learn them very well. First word is fledge. Fledge mean learn to fly. The second meaning is to bring up. उड़ने के काबिल फरार. Next word is flesh. Flesh mean pulp and soft tissue of the body. Guda and gosht. Flicker. Flicker mean glimmer and vibrate and movement of a flame. Jilmelana. Flimsy. Flimsy mean light and thin, insubstantial. Dhan pan kamzor. Flippant. Flippant rude attitude, disrespectful, बेअदब, गैर संजीदा. Flock. Flock mean a group of animals, a group of people of particular type. Jund and river. Flop. Flop mean to fall and be unsuccessful. नाकाम होना, नाकामी. Flounder. Flounder mean struggle in mud or water. Thrash हाथ पाँव मारना. Flourish. Flourish mean prosper and grow. Pnapna and phalna, phulna. Next is flurry. Flurry mean excitement and confusion. हड़बड़ाहट, हलचल. Flux. Flux mean continuous change, a continued flow. मुसलसल तब्दीली, बहाव. Foliage. Foliage mean greenery and leaves. सब्ज़ा या पत्ते. Ferment. Ferment mean stir up and next meaning inside. Third mean is provoke. Senkna, punkna. Foray. Foray mean sudden attack, achanak, halla bolna and hamla. Forerunner. Forerunner mean precursor, पेशरो या पेशगी. Next is foretell. Foretell mean predict and forecast. पेशगोई करना. I hope you understood the words very well. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Take care and goodbye.